G'day and welcome to the Cooma Spider with Jenny Brandis. This spider was invented by Noelene Lafferty from Cooma Australia. It is featured in my pattern Noelene in the Pattern a Month number 11 series. In this sample I have secured the incoming pairs with half stitch, pin half stitch. Add 3 twists to the 4 inside pairs on both sides. Next, we work the centre top pin in half stitch, pin half stitch. Cross, twist, put up the pin and close with cross, twist. Tension and move both pairs to the side for the moment. Bring down the next 2 pairs, as this is where they merge into a single pair with cross stitch. Cross, twist and cross, then tension. We're going to do the same on the other side. Move these 2 pairs aside, then the centre 2 pairs. Bring down the right 2 pairs before merging them into a single pair with cross stitch, cross, twist and cross. The middle pin on the centre square is next. Keep an eye on the threads from step 3 as we are going to use them as a single merged pair. Using the right pair from the centre pin, work half stitch, pin half stitch through the merged pair on the right. Cross, twist, put up the pin and close the pin with cross, twist. Lay the right pair aside as we are going to work the centre left pin in the same manner. Let's mirror that, remembering to use the merged pair as single pair. Cross, twist, put up the pin, close the pin with cross, twist. The next step is to work the 2 corner pins on the inner square. Working in half stitch, pin half stitch on the left first, cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist. Add 3 twists on the outgoing pair and lay them aside. Move across to the other side and repeat. Working in half stitch, pin half stitch, cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist. Add 3 twists on the outgoing pair before laying them aside. Step 6 is working the centre pin with the 2 merged pairs. Make sure that the threads have not gained any twists or crosses before working the centre pin. Cross, twist. Check that you have not added any twists, crosses on the merged pairs before putting up the pin. Put up the pin and tension, taking care not to squish the merged threads together as we want them to lay side by side. Close the pin with cross, twist. Again, check your work for wayward twists or too much tension as you want to see the individual threads. Steps 7 and 8 relate to the 2 middle pins on the inner square. I'm going to do above the pins first. So, half stitch, pin on the left, cross, twist, put up the pin and lay aside. Move to the right pin. Repeat the cross, twist, pin on the right. Close the pin with cross. Add a twist to the single pair only. Note that the single pair continues to the centre pin in the inner square. Unmerge the pairs on the right and form a cross stitch and tension. Add 3 twists to both pairs and lay aside. Close the left pin with cross, then add a twist to the single pair only and lay it aside. Unmerge the pairs on the left pin and form a cross stitch and tension. Add 3 twists to both pairs and lay aside. Close the inner square with half stitch, pin half stitch, and add 3 twists on both pairs and gently tension all pairs. Close the Cooma Spider with half stitch, pin half stitch at each of the surrounding pins.